Okay, guys, I started with spark plug cylinder 6 is the furthest from the distributor. I also installed the 2 aluminum brackets that I order. I forgot what the website is, but I'll provide the link in the description. This way, you get the perfect measurements and the length of your spark plug wires, whether you want them to have a little play or not. This is an important step that you cannot skip. In this step, after we actually completed and crimped the wire down, I actually placed the wire, ran it through the exact location that I wanted to, made sure everything was good, and me and my dad tested the wire to see if it had any spark. Just to make sure this was my first wire. I wanted to make sure everything was done correctly, and I did have spark. This way I don't go and finish the other 5 cylinders and stuff isn't working as it should. My dad checked, we had spark, and just kept knocking them down. Then we did cylinder number 5, cylinder 4, cylinder 3, cylinder 2, and cylinder 1, which is the shortest. That one was last. Obviously, I did not record all that since it's the same process for each cylinder, just the length is different. Okay, in this video here, I'm showing you guys exactly how I got the new spark plug wire through the 90-degree rubber cone. I actually use dish soap. They do provide grease, but I feel as the dish soap is a lot more slippery, and for me it was a lot easier to do it this way. This way I'm not wasting the entire grease that they provide. Plus, I had to use a good amount of soap to make things slippery in order for it to go through. But yeah, I'm here. This could be done with one person, but my dad's here to help me. And if you have 2 people, it is a lot easier. Believe me when I tell you, having an extra set of hands does help. Hey guys, here I'm just doing the same thing that I did for cylinder number 6. Same steps. I apologize for my head being in the way. It was extremely hard to get a great location or hold the camera while I was actually working. I needed all hands on deck. So yeah, this is a quick time lapse of me just running the wire, measuring and cutting it. I'm going to show you guys the before and after. Enjoy this little time lapse.